You see that break? That's a fusible link. So what it means is the power from this bank at the end, there's 5 banks of 2 cells, is not going through the board. So you're missing that 3.6 volts coming out this end, and that's the problem. So all you need to do is join that together with a soldering iron, and I'll show you how to do that now. Quite simple. You can just solder it with solder, but that's a fusible link, so I'm going to put a wee bit of nickel strip. You might not have nickel strip, but if you have an old battery lying about or something that you can take it out of, that would be better. I don't like to make fusible links too strong, but at the end of the day, something else is going to burn out. If that's too strong, it's going to melt further down. It will burn out. I use this roll of nickel strip for all the repairs in these, but I only need a very small bit, so here's a bit that I cut off earlier. I'm going to solder it in there, and that'll reconnect that fusible link. Again, use gloves, don't do what I'm doing here. I'm going to use a little bit of flux first to help the solder stick. You can sandpaper that a little bit if you want, in order to make the surface more adherent to the solder. I'm going to take a shortcut and just do it. I use this Erson 5 cores flux solder. There's a flux core in this which helps it stick as well, so I put flux on, and I also use flux core solder. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Like I say, I'm not an expert, but I've become a wee bit prolific at these batteries due to doing it. Soldering around batteries is often frowned upon by some people, and rightly so, because you're dealing with an 18650 cell there that's it's sort of a flammable thing, you know, if it's exposed to the air or busted or anyway.